So, dear students, this is topic 3.2 regulatory and ethical consideration. Particularly, this is theory oriented, and some practical questions also can be asked from this, but it's very important. So, you should basically you need to understand the concepts related to ethical considerations and regulatory requirements. So, you have to follow certain rules. So, that is what is expected from this particular topic. Okay, candidates will examine the regulatory framework by exploring a number of international accounting standards, how they are applied within a set of financial statements. Candidates will further consider the wider ethical issues which underpin the practice of accounting and the end of accountants, and the need of for accountants and business to behave in an appropriate manner. Related to this, candidates will assess the nature of stewardship in the context of a limited company, which will enable candidates to develop a more detailed appreciation of the issues of ownership and control introduced in 1.1.1 and the associated requirement for an independent examination of financial statement by an auditor. So, international accounting standards. What are the various international accounting standards? So, candidates should have understanding of the main provisions of each of the following international accounting standards. Okay, so particularly this particular, so there are so many couple of accounting standards, but for you at this level in A level, so you just need to know this. So IAS 1, so presentation of financial statements, inventories. So IAS 7, statement of cash flows. IAS 8, accounting policies, changes in accounting estimates and errors. So events after the reporting period, what to do, and property, plant and equipment, the schedule of assets, all those things, and impairment of assets, how to trade, how to record, how to make the proper entries, provisions, contingent liabilities, and contingent reserves, concepts related to that, and intangible assets, all concepts related to this. So you need to be very familiar with all these things. So basically, you have to understand the deep concepts related to this and apply. So very important for A level students, and it is the stage where you're expected to be matured enough to understand how to apply accounting in real practical situations. So this is very important, and it's very challenging and very interesting topic. So be updated and keep learning.